Hey guys, as you got a quick gameplays about my introduction, I'm not going to give my introduction to waste the time. So let's just jump into the main topic of this video, that is law of hygienics or principle of hygienic. So before we start in explaining this, I just want to give you a quick snapshot about what I'm going to cover in this video. Basically, we are just going to see this principle of hygienic into two aspects. One is physical aspect, another one is mental aspect. So before we proceed in explaining this, I just want you to sit back, relax and enjoy this whole video. So talking about the physical aspects of hygienic, I will explain this aspect through a series of points. So the first point, that is wash your hands when you touch your nostrils and your mouth, because the waste that is accumulated inside the nostril and the saliva that is accumulated inside the mouth, these are very good carriers of vital diseases. So I see many of my friends, many people, after touching their nostrils or mouth, they don't wash their hand and they do touch foods and something like that. So it is this bad habit. It's not only making sure that you are being harmed, this also making sure you are being caused to harm others. Okay, so you should be aware of that and make it a habit of washing your hands after touching your nostrils or mouth. So point number 2, that is wash the door of discharging the excretion. I'm repeating, wash the door of discharging the excretion with the soap, and wash the door of discharging urine with water. After each time you discharge these wastes from body, these are very crucial things you should maintain. Okay, so point number 3, that is do not wear anybody's other's clothes. Suppose you were wearing one of your friend's clothes and you don't know what kind of hidden disease your friend is having, so don't wear anybody's clothes. Okay, point number 4, always wash your hands and legs after coming from the outside with proper sanitizer or with a proper soap. Number 5, do not go outside or do not go into social interaction with your friends or even with your family members if you have contagious disease. Keep yourself isolated inside a room. Okay. Number 6, always carry a bed sheet whenever you are traveling outside. Okay, always carry a bed sheet with you. This is also a very good habit. So these are the very crucial points. I think if you maintain this, it may lead you it may help you to lead a very healthy life if you maintain these crucial points of physical hygienic. Our physical health is affected by the state of our mental health to a great extent. So always try to remember that our mind is the dirtiest dustbin in the world. So if you keep it clean, everything would remain very fantastic, very sweet, very beautiful to you. So here I will discuss about some points which will help you to strengthen your mental health to a great extent, one by one. So the point number 1, that is forsake envy with others. If you have envy with others, then it will just only give you meaningless pain into your heart. Okay, this is my personal experience, so try to remove this as soon as possible. Number 2, do not panic about your future. I'm repeating, do not panic about your future. Always try to make your present beautiful by doing honest works or something like that. Okay. Number 3, remove any kind of weakness from your heart as soon as possible. Okay, if you have any kind of weakness from your heart, remove this from right now. Try to do that kind of things which will help you to remove the weakness from your heart. So number 5, try to keep good synchronization with others. By the term synchronization, I mean that try to keep good behaviors, sweet behavior with others. Okay. Number 6, always try to attach yourself with honest work. I am giving you a guarantee that the feelings after doing honest work is more than 1000 times better than the feelings after doing dishonest work. So these are the very crucial points you should remember and you should maintain in order to remove or in order to improve your mental health. Hope I have been able to give you some relevant information. But before I wrap up this video, one last thing I just want to tell you guys, that is, I know the current situation is bad, but I believe that it would be normalized soon. But what you have to do right now is that stay positive, stay happy, stay healthy, stay fit, stay at home and stay safe. We would see each other in the college campus soon. Till then, bye bye and take care.